Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on task quick add functions on the TickTick application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the menu icon in the upper left corner. Click on the settings button in the upper right corner of this section. Tap on General. And now click on Task Quick Add. Here you can see that there are two sections, text input and voice input. Here you can turn on this tab plus at a list view to quick add a new task. That's the quick add function. So turn it on by clicking on this button in the right side corner. And you can also turn on this second option, which is when time information is included in the content, automatically asks whether to add a task when the app is opened. In the voice input section, you have this speech recognition access, which means that if it is enabled, long press the plus icon in the list to add a task quickly using voice input without authorization. Access can be turned off in system settings. Here you should tap on OK, and you can also select the voice input language. Now it is set to English, which is the default option, but if you scroll down you have a vast variety of options that you can choose from. So just simply click on the relevant one, thereby changing the voice input language. So if you go back, you will be able to see that it has been updated. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.